product named Jeeto at our plant, at our Zahirabad plant. This product is a very unique and a category creator product which will change the paradigm of commercial segment. Situation for all, as I mentioned, for businessmen, retail.
Tamil Nadu. I'm very pleased to be here with you all today. As Rajesh said, Rajesh also did mention that this is the second launch of our 9 products this year. I'd just like to clarify that our customer, who is the ultimate buyer of the product, be it the captive segment who want to distribute their goods, be it the financiers who want to fund the product, or be it our dealers through whom we want to sell the product. But before I get into that, I know all of you, we innovate and we bring in many new firsts into the industry to lead the category. And that's exactly what we've done. So whether you look at the flatbed concept being brought into pickup as a category to further expand the segment, and not only that, to ensure that we enhance the value proposition that we offer to our customers. Besides that, it's not only about selling products, we also have various customer relation years of that effort. It finally culminates that we, Mahindra, for the first time in India, is actually going to offer the power of choice in the hands of the consumer to decide what is the best product for his or her need. And as a result of the power of choice, we are not launching 1, not 2, not 3, but 8 mini trucks on this platform. That is the power of choice that we bring with the launch of Jeeto. And rightfully so, because I think most of you all will be aware, the name Jeeto basically means. So it comes with a futuristic modern design, very attractive dashboard, a very car-like interior dashboard. Level variant, which is the S611, is as low as 2,43,000. And the top end, which is the X716, goes up to 2,89,000. These are BS.